Page 145, Canon. This is a Pachelbel Canon. This is a nice little arrangement of it. A canon is like a round, where you got different voices coming in at different times. And in this one, the first voice comes in as the bass. Watch this fingering carefully. It's a 1. Just forget the rhythm for a moment. Let's get the notes. 1, then 4, and then 1 again. And then 4, and then 2 on that one, and then here. Now, in the second line, first two measures, I disagree, because they want you to do 2, 1, and then do 1 again. No. We want to do this legato. And we don't want to have to be thinking about it, and we don't want to have to be looking down at the piano, because you'd have to look down every time you made that move. No. So on the first 2 beats of the second measure, you do a 3-2. Then you can reach up with the thumb and connect them all. So the fingering is at the beginning 1, 4, 1, 4, 2, 5, now 3, reach up and 3, 2, and now 1. I do them all, see? And that just repeats over and over and over and over until you get to the end. The last line. Last line, you're here. 3, 2, 1, and then 5. That's the left hand. It's all whole notes, it's all like so. The right hand has broken chords. Look at here on second line where it comes in, it's here. It's a 1 chord. And then come down 1, and then come down 1, and come down, you just keep and that's it. It's kind of nice. So when you put them together, it's slowly, because you got to count to 4, and this is not a fast piece. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. This seems slow, but when you add the other parts, it's not so slow anymore. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Like so. That's how it goes. This repeated bass is like an ostinato bass, meaning it's just a repeated constant pattern that just goes on and on and on and on. That's the ostinato. Now dynamic wise, they don't give you much of any dynamics. It's soft at the beginning and it's all melody. Bring out everything. So you pretty much just stay soft throughout the whole thing. But they've added pedal and they're doing legato pedal throughout. You can actually do the whole thing without pedal, just fine, but if you want to do pedal, that's fine. You just let the pedal lag behind the notes. So push the note down first and then the pedal. And then I change the pedal at each measure throughout the whole piece. So play the note and then change the pedal. Again, each time you play the note, then change the pedal. And that's the way it is all the way to the end. Till at the end, last measure, the pedal, the last 2 measures you don't change the pedal there, you keep it down and then go ahead and lift the pedal and the finger at the same time. So much for the pedal. There is a retardando at the end, you can slow down a little bit here. So, but your counting continues to slow down until the piece ends. So if I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, off. So it's like the last note has a fermata, but it doesn't. It's just you're slowing the count down is all you're doing. Now at the top, underneath, about at the middle of the line, underneath the staff, you see that simile. You'll see that in music sometimes. Here they put a little explanation, and normally you just get simile. Simile means to keep doing whatever it is you were doing. And it depends on where the simile is in the music. Here it's down by the pedal line. That means the pedal. You keep doing what you're doing. Sometimes you'll see it in between the staves and sometimes above the staff. And it simply means that whatever it's next to, that's what you keep doing. Let's try this out slowly. I don't know that you really need me to check the notes, but let's just do it slowly together. So some of these notes in the right hand may not be what you think they are. So go ahead and put your left hand here. Now you have a choice with the right hand. You can put it up immediately when you start the piece and have it there ready to go. Or, since you've been getting a little better and you're further along in the book, If you'd like, you can leave the hand in your lap until the measure before you need it as you're playing this note, then lift it up. But have the right hand there before you need to play that note. Have it ready to go. I'll leave that up to you. So, 4 counts, let's start this. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3,